Hey guys, welcome back. Just want to go over why I pressure can my hot sauces before I bottle them. Now these are shelf stable. They could be bottled right now. I made quite a few jars. I didn't have the bottles in. That's always one of the reasons. But I add my fruit in last. I don't add the fruit in during the fermentation because that can attract some ugly molds and other nasties. We certainly don't want that. But it also helps me learn a little bit about the sauce if there's some adjustments I need to make. Sometimes there is. Now, I just did some of my Mangalorean. This is a C3PO chili and mangoes, and it's separated pretty good. It needs some xanthan gum in that mix to keep everything completely mixed with no separation. Simple as that. Canning is a really easy thing. Like to just go finger tight on my lids in the jar. I've got water in here. It's ready to go. If you've never pressure canned, catch a video at the end of this. I go through the basics of it. It's a pretty simple process. So I'm going to can these, bring this up to temperature for 15 minutes. So, once my indicators popped up, I put my steam cap on, set timer 15 minutes, done deal, that's it. You're going to kill off any nasties in there. You could do any high acid things in a water bath canner, but a water bath's only going to get you to 180 to 212 degrees. That'll kill off the bacteria, but it won't kill off everything. A pressure canner is going to get you up around 240 degrees. That's super important. If you get botulism, might be in there. You never know. It'll kill stuff like that off. So, a great resource to find out how long to can anything is the USDA.gov website. They'll talk about the altitudes. My altitude, I need a 15-pound weight. They'll talk about times for different types of foods. Obviously canning meat, making stew, whatnot, takes a whole lot longer than just pressure canning some hot sauce. I'm going to run these about 15 minutes. Could run them a fair bit longer, but that's enough for right now. They'll be bottled soon. And I guess that's pretty much it. That's why I pressure can my hot sauces. I just find it so much easier. I can work out the bugs, and I can bottle everything whenever I'm ready to. I'm not in a big rush every time I make a batch of hot sauce. So, anyways, that's my short tip for the day. Hope you all appreciate it. I hope you hit that like and subscribe. If you learned anything, I certainly hope you do. Anyway, I'm signing off. I guess I'll see y'all down the trail.